Welcome back to OXBRIDGE-Learning English with Milon Sir. Here I am today with a special topic, that is the use of prepositions, and we know that the use of preposition is very important one, because without knowing preposition we can't say something properly or to write something correctly. So we have to know about prepositions. Well, today I will discuss 12 problems with you, and we may have problems or we may have confusion about them. So let's start with the first one. Here you can say on the board the first one, whom were you talking? Whom were you talking? You can say whom were you talking? So which one is right? To whom were you talking? Or with whom were you talking? Dear audience, you know that after talk we use to. After talk we use to. Talk to. I want to talk. I want to talk to you. But the sentence here begins with whom. Whom were you talking? It doesn't matter much. Here we have to use to with the sentence before whom. So, to one is right. To whom were you talking? To. Talking. Never say with whom were you talking. So say to whom were you talking. Now, let's move for the second one. You can say the second one, who were you talking? Who were you talking? Who were you talking? So which one is that? Who were you talking with or who were you talking to? Same explanation, same answer. After talk, we have to use to. So here is no confusion to use to here. So this to one is right. Who were you talking to? Now number 3. It stopped raining. The sentence here you can say it stopped raining during the night. But rained all day long. Or we can say it rained all day long, but stopped raining as the night. But as the night. So which one is right? It stopped during the night, or it stopped raining in the night, but rained all day long. Which one is right? Dear viewers, when we don't about the period of time or a specific time, there is no specific idea of time here, because it stopped raining. It stopped raining night. It is night. But it rained all day. So which one is right? It stopped raining during the night. So never say it stopped raining in the night or at night. It stopped raining during the night, but rained all day. So mind it, when we don't have a specific idea about time, then we have to use during as a preposition. Now, the next one, number 4, you can see on the board, she rented a cabin, her holidays. She rented a cabin, dash holidays. So which one is right? You can see to answer here. The first one is for. She rented a cabin for her holidays. She rented a cabin on her holidays. So which one is right? Dear audience, the first one is right. She rented a cabin for her holidays. Never say she rented a cabin on her holidays, because when we don't know about, when we know about the periods of time or the purpose. What is the purpose to rent a cabin? The purpose to spend the holidays, This is her purpose. So when we know about the purpose and the period of time, then we can say for she rented a cabin for her holidays. Never say she rented a cabin on her holidays. Dear learners, next one now. Fifth, don't bath soon before a meal or eating. Don't bath soon after a meal or eating. Which one is right? We know that after eating, to have a bath is very difficult for us. So, don't bath or don't have a bath soon after a meal or eating is right. We know that if before, after the noun or gerund, then after is used as a prepositions. And here we can see the sequence. After the noun form meal or the gerund form here eating. So if you see this structure, that is after the noun, then or the gerund, then we have to use after as a preposition. So after is right. So don't bath soon after a meal or eating. It's right. Never say before a meal. But we should have bath or should bath before eating. Before eating. But never or don't bath soon after a meal or eating. The next one, what time does the train get in? What time does the train get in and what time does the train get to? Which one is right? It's a confusing matter. Are you confused? I think that you are clear. No confusion. I know that you are okay. So which one is right? What time does the train get in? Get in is right. Here, get in means to reach the station. The train reach the stations. So, what time does the train get in means the train reaches the station. So, what time does the train get in is the right one. So, never say what time does the train get to. So, get to is wrong one. Now, let's go further. Number 7, he is like a house in fire or on fire. He is like a house in fire or on fire. Because he is doing well, extremely well. So which one is right? We can say that the house on fire. And here we can say that he is like a house. He is like a house on fire. He is like a house on fire. That means he is doing well, extremely well. So which one is right? The house is on fire. Or the house like is it? He is like a house in fire or on fire. On fire is right one. He is like a house on fire. He is because he is doing well, extremely well. Extremely well. So dear viewers, I have already discussed 7 problems with you. Now let's go for the next one. So the letter 1, you can say on the board, he lives dash the mountain. That means he lives over the mountains or he lives on the mountains. Which one is right? This is confusing. So which one is right? We have to identify the correct answer. I think that you are okay and you know about it. He lives over the mountains or he lives on the mountains. Dear viewers, we know that the first one is right. He lives over the mountains means on the other side of the mountain. He lives on the other side of the mountain. So, he lives over the mountain is right. The next one, number 9, we can park anywhere without here, or we can say we can park anywhere but here or except here. So, which one is right? Which one is right? We can park anywhere without here, or we can park anywhere but here or except here. Dear viewers, our second option is right because after anywhere, anybody or anything, if you see them in a sentence, anywhere, anything or anybody, then but and except is used as a preposition. So, our second option is right. We can park anywhere but here. We can park anywhere. We can park anywhere but here or except here. This means but here or except here means we can't park here. We can't park here. But dear audience, at the same time we have to remember that after anywhere, anybody and anything, but is more emphatic. But is the better answer. What is the better answer that can be used as a preposition after anything, anybody or anywhere. So mind it. But both but and except can be used as a prepositions here. No problems. But we have to prefer the first one, but. Now let's go for the number 10. You can see on the board, the shop is just round the corner. The shop is just near the corner. The shop is just near the corner. The shop is just round the corner. So which one is right? This means round the corner. And round is right. And round the corner means very near. The shop is very near. So the shop is just round the corner means the shop is just very near. So this one is right. The shop is just round the corner. Never say the shop is just near the corner. Now let's go for the next one. That's the 11th one. I want to go to Dhaka before dark. I want to get to Dhaka before dark, or I want to get in Dhaka before dark. Which one is right? Which one is right? We have to identify. I think that it is very easy. When I say something about this, like this sentence, I want to get Dhaka. This means to reach somewhere. When it means to reach somewhere, we have to use get to. Never use get in. But when something misses somewhere, then we have to use get in. For example, for a train or for a bus, the train reaches at the station on the other. In other words, we can say the train gets in the station. Gets in the station, but if the subject matter is the nominative one, I want to get here I, the nominative one, so never get in Dhaka before dark. So I want to get to Dhaka, that I want to reach Dhaka before dark. So here get to means to reach somewhere for somebody. Now for today's last problems to share with you, the bag is pregnant. The bag is pregnant with vegetables. The bag is pregnant with vegetables, or the bag is pregnant with vegetables. Which one is correct? This is a very important problems for us to discuss or to share with you. The bag is pregnant with vegetables, or the bag is pregnant of vegetables. The first one is right. The bag is pregnant with vegetables. Dear viewers, pregnant with means full of. Full of. Pregnant with means full of. So the bag is pregnant with vegetables. The house is pregnant with smoke. The house is on fire. So it is pregnant with smoke. The house is full of smoke. Dear viewers, no more today. See you again with the different topics. Thank you.